Introducing the ultra-solid compact laminate fixing kit from Keytech UK. It contains 3 zip bolts and a Torx bit, 4 biscuits and a set of zip blades for cutting out sink and hob apertures, Zipbond Ultra epoxy resin, sink and hob fixing hardware, as well as alcohol wipes and abrasives for finishing. Let's start by cutting the worktop joints. Solid compact laminate can be butt jointed or mitered as demonstrated here. A 12.7mm cutter is used to machine the miters. As with conventional worktops, take multiple passes to ensure a clean, smooth cut. Complete both male and female cuts before changing the bit for the dog bone profiles. Swap out the cutter for a 6mm bit. The same 30mm guide bush can be used. Position the worktop jig correctly based on the manufacturer's guidelines. This trend jig has been designed to accommodate the offset needed for micro connectors. Set the router depth to exactly 8mm. This equates to the thickness of 2 biscuits. Route out the dog bones. Again, multiple passes will make the job easier. Apply a strip of painter's tape to the top surface to protect the finish from epoxy resin squeeze out. This also helps for marking the biscuit positions. Mark the dog bone cutouts onto the tape. You want to position the 4 biscuits in between these mechanical fixings. Apply a strip of tape to the other worktop surface and mark the biscuit positions. Make the cuts for the biscuits. Keep these central to the worktop thickness. Test or dry fit the joint to ensure it lines up perfectly. Fit the supplied Torx bit into your drill driver. Fit the mixing attachment to the Zipbond Ultra epoxy resin. Squeeze out some of the adhesive and ensure it's mixed thoroughly. Apply to the biscuits and fit them in position. Apply a coat of epoxy along the edge of the worktop. Be sure to glue the biscuit slots on the other side to be joined too. Slide the top into place, aligning the biscuits. You can simply balance the zip bolt onto the driver and tighten in a one-handed operation. The quick set epoxy will harden in 5 minutes. The speed of the Zipbolt makes it possible to tension all 3 connectors with ease. You can imagine how difficult this would be with conventional bolts. Wipe off the excess adhesive with the supplied alcohol wipes and remove the tape. A further wipe down will ensure that all the surplus glue is cleaned from the top. The kit contains a set of abrasive pads including a Scotch-Brite finishing pad. Use these either by hand or with a machine to ensure a smooth finish to the leading edge. Never use abrasives on the top surface of a solid compact laminate worktop. The Zipblades supplied with the kit were engineered to cut solid compact laminate worktops with ease. Use these to make cutouts for sinks and hobs. Mechanical fixings for securing these appliances are also included.